Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch 2. Getting started with Overwatch 2 is straightforward, as it's a free-to-play title available across various gaming platforms. When the game first launched, there was a requirement for all players to link a phone number to their Battle.net account. However, after listening to player feedback, Blizzard made significant adjustments to this policy, which now affects a large number of existing players. The SMS Protect system was initially implemented to enhance security and reduce disruptive behavior within the game. This meant all players needed a valid phone number linked to their Battle.net account. However, a key change occurred. Most players who had an Overwatch 1 account connected to Battle.net since June 9, 2021, are now exempt. But if you are creating a brand new account, or your previous account was not connected, you will still need to meet the SMS Protect requirements. So, who exactly needs a phone number to play? If you were an Overwatch 1 player with a Battle.net account active since June 9, 2021, you are likely good to go without adding a phone number. However, if you are setting up a completely new account, you will still need to provide a valid phone number. It's also important to note that prepaid and voice over Internet Protocol phone numbers are typically not accepted for this verification process. In summary, a significant number of players can now jump into Overwatch 2 without the initial phone number hurdle. While the policy has evolved, it's always a good idea to consult Blizzard's official support pages for the most current and detailed information regarding account requirements. With that cleared up, you're all set to dive into the fast-paced, team-based action and enjoy everything Overwatch 2 has to offer. Have fun out there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.